Are you trading stocks, commodities, foreign exchange on forex markets? Or do you simply want to make money on the internet, as thousands of people do every day? Every day, more and more people are using the internet to achieve financial freedom with an online business. How about if you could automatically make 81% profit with each trade, no matter how much the rate actually changed? Would you also be interested to know that people who had never dealt in shares, stocks or currencies before can succeed from day one? That's exactly what we're talking about here today. You don't need to have inside knowledge. You don't need to spend hours studying the news, charts or newspapers to make a trade with 0.5% profit by the end of the day. There are only rising and falling prices and over 81% profit per trade. That's right, per trade. I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'll show you exactly what you need and how for the first time you will make 81% profit in 27 minutes from now with one click. First of all, I would like to say that my offer is totally free. So therefore, you will not be compelled to buy a manual at the end of this video. No, my offer here is 100% free, and I will tell you the reason why at the end of this video. It's still not entirely selfless. Trading stocks, commodities, CFDs, foreign exchange, and many other products that you can trade on the stock market requires a lot of knowledge and experience to achieve profits. Many brokers have to learn for years, and even professionals can quickly be wrong in turbulent times. In many trades, you work with high leverage, and a small fluctuation can lead to a total loss, even though one is set out on the right trend. Binary options work differently. There is only one introductory course and 81% profit per trade. Sometimes only 78%, but up to 91%. More importantly, however, no matter how many percent the price changes, the profit per trade is always between 78 and 91%. As a trader of binary options, you just have to decide where the course will be. For example, in an hour. Does that mean higher or lower than now? That's all. Regardless of whether a currency pair is 1 pip or 27 pips lower than now. If you bet on a falling price, your profit is always 81% or more. Even if the price then quickly goes the other direction, you can stay calm because what you will have learned here, you will always be right in the long term. Now, at this point, I would like to oppose an objection many of my visitors may have. The objection that this is comparable with a simple sports betting on a victory or defeat basis. This is definitely not the case. This would only happen if we were blindly relying on a falling or rising rate. If you do what you learn here, you will see it has nothing to do with luck or chance that will make you a winner, but with your knowledge. You know the saying, the trend is your friend. In short, in the following minutes, I'll show you exactly how to spot a trend and at what point put on a falling or rising price so that you will always make up to 81% profit per trade. Even with very small amounts, for example $10, you can earn several hundreds of dollars per day with good money management and healthy scattering. And we're only talking here about a simple trade. So in fact, you could start today with just $100 start capital and definitely earn between $100 and $300. In the videos which will be coming up shortly, I will show you how to make up to 2,000% profit with just a single trade. However, this is really only useful for advanced users at this stage, so we will concentrate first on the essentials. Binary options are traded through a broker. It is now the fastest growing trend on the internet and can make self-growth figures of forex brokers appear pale. Thousands of people from all walks recognize every day the opportunities of binary options and benefit from the simplicity. It is really easy, An account can be opened in less than 2 minutes and you're ready to go. Click on the banner below for the video to come directly to the broker, and from there click on Create Account or on New Account Setup. Okay, so we're already on the first step. Open an account with a broker that offers binary options. Please select only a broker that we recommend, because in this industry there are black sheep who may offer poor conditions or even act against you. Brokers that we recommend to you are tested by us and are generally regarded as very reliable, offering their customers superior support. My colleagues and I trade exclusively with these brokers. Signing up is easy. After responding to a confirmation email, you can log into the account and start immediately. You will see how easy everything is structured. You just have to decide what you want to trade. Choose from the menu bar: currencies, indices, equities, and commodities. For example, if you click on the currencies, you can see the currency pairs that are available at the moment. Top right, you can see how much time you have to place a trade, and here on the left side, you can see when the trade expires and how much profit you will make with it. There are only two buttons: put and call. Call we make if the price goes up, and put if we rely on a falling price. Binary options are not always traded. If there are no entry opportunities, it looks like this, and you can read here when the market reopens. I'll show you how you can make the right decision in most cases. If you know that the price will be higher in an hour from now, click on Call, set the amount, and click on Trade. It really is just that simple. Now you have nothing more to do than to wait to make up to 81% profit. However, the question still remains: how do you know if a course will be higher or lower than now at the end of the trade? If one can predict this with accuracy, it will attract very high profits very quickly, and that is your goal now. Let me tell you, whoever follows my tips will practically have a license to print money in their hands. Okay, now one could look, for example, at the other traders, but I would discourage you from doing so. There is, for example, at this broker, a list of what other traders are doing. However, I would advise you not to follow these trends. That would be like gambling, and it's not what we want. We do business here, and we want to earn sustainably good money every day on a long-term basis. We are trading on the basis of clear trends and developments in the market that can be detected on a standard chart, even if you have never used a chart before. What you need now are real charts where you can read what courses actually do. The charts here are not very useful, so you should either use the charts of the broker of your choice or open up a free account with a broker so you can use the charts there. Now, you could go to any web page and click on any charts. But do yourself a favor and don't even think about it. What you need in order to be able to catch a glimpse into the future is to have accurate, real-time charts. You can get these at any stock exchange or broker. My tip would be that you open a demo account at eToro, which is for free, and where good charts are available. If you already trade there, you should already have an advanced chart, which is perfect. Trading. If you don't have a trading account yet and you want to use this type of chart with all the tools, it is recommended to fund an eToro account with $50, even if you're not trading. It's a kind of user fee for the professional chart. Of course, you can use any real-time chart. So if you already have a trading account with a broker, use their chart. The important thing is that you have an accurate chart that displays real-time courses at different times. We will mainly work with the 1-minute and 5-minute candlestick chart. The line chart is very good for beginners because it is perhaps even clearer at the beginning. Actually, you already have everything you need to start. With binary option brokers, you can already start with just $100 and place trades of $10. That is perfect in order to practice and to get an understanding of the matter while keeping the risk low. Later, when you have made sufficient gains, you can open accounts with brokers who have even more features and trading options. However, since these brokers require a minimum initial deposit of $500, $1,000 or more, we suggest you generate the money first and maximize the profits on this platform. So soon you will have everything under control, and this will happen in just a few days. Okay, so right now, an important tip on this subject. Look to open many trades with small amounts instead of putting all your eggs in one basket. So that you earn $200 a day, you only need 5 good $50 trades. In 22 trading days, that's $4,400, which you are able to earn every month, part-time work. You can reach there in 4 to 6 weeks with only $100 starting capital. Now, I'm going to show you quickly how you will do it. Start with $100 to $200. Take action with a $10 trade until you have a total of about $500 to $800 on the account, and then increase the amount to $20 per trade. When you have $1,200 on the trading account, you can trade with $30 to $40 per trade. From $2,000, you can put $50 per trade, and you can earn quite easily $4,400 per month by placing just 5 trades. There will definitely be days when it will be difficult to place 5 safe trades. However, there will also be days where you can place 10 to 20 trades quite easily. It's all about these type of days and those where clear trends continue unabated. It is very important that you keep money management in mind and not use too much of the money you have in your account all at once. Never put more than, say, 5 to 10% on a trade. Further information can be found on the page below. Now, let's talk about the original topic. We must decide whether a course will drop or will increase. The nice thing is, no matter how much a price rises or falls, we will always make 81% profit per trade, even if the change is only 0.01%. Our profit is 81%. For this purpose, we must consider again the important adage. The trend is your friend. And that's the start for this topic. Every trader in the stock market knows and follows this saying in principle. In so-called bullish times, only the least of them set on a falling price. That's why I want to show you how to recognize on a chart whether the time is right to go in. Open the chart or the chart of your broker, or eToro or any other real-time chart. What matters is that it is accurate. The principle is simple. Is there an increasing trend? We expect an increasing rate. Is there a downward trend? We put on a falling price. And in a sideways trend, we leave it out. The more clear a trend, the safer we make money. Advanced guys will also look on alongside messages, or wait for important decisions, and then place specifically on the expected development. I am now going to show you some charts. They are all 5-minute candlestick charts, all from the same date that I've just pulled out to show how easy it is to make a decision. On this chart here, we see a clear upward trend, which has lasted for some time already. You can draw a channel and detect a trend that is clearly upward. This trend is my friend now, and he will not let me down. Therefore, I can directly click call at the broker, choose the amount, and will now most likely make a profit. Keep the chart analysis simple in the beginning. Go in soon enough, but not in the last 5 minutes before the trade expires, but better a little earlier, so that even small fluctuations in the trend don't affect you. Here you can see a chart which we should always stay away from. It's a sideways movement where no trend is discernible. A line above and a line below, and no discernible trend. Such charts are usually found at times of day where little is traded. There is a lot more movement in the afternoon up to about 10 p.m. It's at these times most good trends are found which you can rely on. Okay, let's go straight to the next chart. Here again we see a trend. It's easy to see. With two lines we will see where it goes. There is a good probability that the trend is downwards. So we open the broker, click on Put, enter the amount and click Action. Whether the price is 0.1 or 2% down, we will always make a profit of 81%. If you have ever traded with high leverage, you will know the situation that you would have determined to set the right trend and actually would have won if it had not been this short turnaround, which has driven your trade in the stop loss. With binary options, you cannot go wrong. Regardless of the severity of the short counter movement, if the direction is clear, every trade is a win. You will find more examples on this page on how to analyze charts in order to place winning trades. Keep it easy at the beginning. You are trading with small amounts and you will be delighted with every win. But before you get started, I would like to discuss a few things briefly. First, it needs to be clearly stated that binary options have nothing to do with casino gambling and sports betting. Please do not confuse it with such things. It is a new, modern way to trade and to maximize profits. The broker has a strong interest in ensuring that you make many trades, because this is how he earns his money, not from the profit or loss on each trade. The more trades you place, the more he earns. Of course, it is important to him that you trade profitably, so that you trade frequently and regularly. Your profit is also indirectly his profit. The most important thing is that you remain patient and trade only on clear trends. It makes no sense to place trades and just hope that it will be okay. With a starting capital of between $100 to $200, you will build up within 1 to 2 weeks a credit of $500 to $1,000, and after 1 month you will get up to 81% profit per trade. Even if you have to wait 2 or 3 hours every day observing situations and charts and waiting, where else can you earn money as easily as this? Every day, thousands of people are jumping on this new trend. In the newsletter we will send you, you will see video reports from numerous users who earn from $100 to $1,340 every single day. Most have started with $100 to $200 in their account, which can easily be funded with a credit card or a bank transfer. It's as easy as it sounds, and you can immediately go into practice. The question now is not how much money you want to earn, but how quickly. I wish you good luck, and I'm looking forward to your review.